Hi friends, welcome to my channel Olympiad Math. In today's video, we are solving an interesting problem from permutation and combination, which is an important segment of all highly competitive exams like Olympiad, SAT, GRE, GMAT and so on. Moreover, the basic concepts of permutation and combination will help you understand the theory of probability much better. The problem is this: there are 100 people at a get together. They are all shaking hands with one another, and we are finding the number of unique handshakes that are possible in such a party. There are four options given to you. See, first I will take you through layman's approach to solving this problem, which could be pretty long, but then I will show you the shortcuts, which will give you more clarity and better understanding of the problem. So keep watching the video until the end of it. So to begin with, let's x1, x2, x3, and x100 be the 100 people. As you know, for a unique handshake, we need two people. And let's look at the number of handshakes made by the first person, x1, which will be as follows: x1, x2, this is one handshake. Then x1 with x3, this is the second handshake. Then x1, x4, this is the third handshake, and it will go on like that. Then x1, x100, this is the last person. And how many handshakes are possible now? Rather, how many handshakes are made by x1 alone? 99 handshakes are possible. Now look at the handshakes made by the second person, that is x2. See, x2 will be shaking hands with x1, which we have already considered. So while listing out the number of handshakes made by x2, we will not consider this one, x2, x1. We will straight away begin with x2, x3, x2, x4. Can you see that? The third handshake will be x2, x5 and goes all the way up to x2, x100. And this will give you how many handshakes? 98 handshakes. Similarly, look at the handshakes made by the third person, which is x3. See, x3 is shaking hands with x1, which you've already considered. Again, x3 is shaking hands with x2, which also has been considered before. We are looking at the unique handshakes. So to avoid duplication, the first handshake made by x3 will be in this fashion, x4. Actually, this is the third one. The other two already considered. So to get the number of unique handshakes, we will begin here. The second handshake x3 makes will be with the x5 in this format. And the third one, x3, x6. And the last one, x3, x100. So how many unique handshakes you are getting? 97. Now, similarly, if you continue, you can find out the number of unique handshakes made by x4 in this fashion. That will be 96. Can you see that? I'm not writing this. And if you go on like that, you will reach the 99th person. Okay. And that 99th person will be shaking hands with x100. There will be only one handshake because the other handshakes made by this person x99 already considered in the previous cases. So we don't need to consider again. Similarly, what will be the case with the x98, the 98th person? He is shaking hands with x99 and also he is shaking hands with the 100th person, and you have two. So there are all such cases. So to find out the total number of handshakes, all you need to do is just add up these numbers you are getting: 1, 2, 3, 4, 96, 97, 98, 99. So total number of unique handshakes equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 98 plus 99. And this is nothing but the sum of the first n natural numbers. There is a ready-made formula to find out the sum of the first n natural numbers, which is given by this: 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to n is given by n multiplied by n plus 1 divided by 2. So putting n equal to 99 here, you will have n is 99, then n plus 1, that is 99 plus 1 divided by 2. This equals 99 multiplied by 100 divided by 2. This on simplification, you get 49, 50. And this is the total number of handshakes you can have. And this is given as the second option in the question. So this is the correct choice. Yeah, now let me show you the shortcuts, which will take just a few seconds to solve this problem. Yeah, as you know, there are 100 people. You need 2 people for a handshake. So basically what we do in this method, we choose 2 people out of 100 people. See, every choice of 2 people from the 100 people will result in 1 handshake. So the number of handshakes, or rather unique handshakes that you can have, will depend or will be equal to the number of ways of choosing any 2 people from 100 people. This will equal the total number of unique handshakes. So there are totally 100 people. We need 2 people for a unique handshake, and the total number of handshakes that you can have will be equal to the number of ways of choosing any 2 people from 100 people. And this you can do in how many ways? See, we generally denote this by 100 C2, or in some countries they denote it like this: C102. The meaning is the number of choices or the selections of 2 people out of 100 people. It's just 100 multiplied by 99 divided by 1 into 2. See, the actual formula goes like this: 100 C2 equal to 100 factorial divided by 100 minus 2 factorial multiplied by 2 factorial. This on simplification you get this, and this on further simplification you get 4950. This is the result we got in the other method. If you liked what you saw in this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. There are many more videos with shortcuts coming up soon. So press the bell icon so as not to miss out those videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.